monkeys, rats, idiot donkeys. You thought I wouldn't find you out. You thought the master gland, pituitary gland, microcosm, macrocosm of consciousness wouldn't find you out. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. I'm here doing important things. I'm here in my new life, high up on a mountain top, up above all the jewelries, as you can see, very rich of course, high up above all the monies, which I'm having all of it. And you thought I wouldn't find you out. Common thieves and crooks and criminals. You decided to waste off, run off with the dharma. Now you will seeking karma. Later on I will be eating shawarma. It's the same, 1, 2, 3. I'm not concerned that you thought you were better. You tried to mimic me and be a cheat. You guys, how can you think? Me on a mountain top looking down, I cannot see you? Kartar, Prem, you thought I wouldn't know. And you thought, maybe you thought, oh, the boss is gone. Let's run away and we'll make the sex. We'll make the happy times. Wrong. The answer is wrong. You're dumber, worse, stupider than my 2 sons, idiots, baskets. How dare you think you can run away with what is it doesn't belong to you. It doesn't belong to me. Only God can know. Only God can bring something that you won't even know. Cheeky, common, filthy, lying. The karma is known. The dharma is known. Sadgurmukh Sahib, Teri Vaheguru Siva Khalsa Vaheguru Fateh. There is something you cannot imagine coming for you in the afterlife. I am already here. You know what my job is every day? This will blow your freaking mind. My job is now to wash God's buttocks. And they are huge. They are the biggest butts you ever saw. They are so big, it's bigger than the Grand Canyon. And I am scrubbing daily. Wow, Vaheguru, Satnam, oh my God. You guys who have taken the monies, well, now you will find out something. When you come, you will also be joining me washing these gigantic buttocks. Oh, this is a good. I am very happy for you. I am very happy for me. Oh, yes. One last final word. I'd like to say something to the Nanak Dev. I have a small, a little newsletter. I found out that there's a few people, they are mounting what they call a class action suit against you. I'm afraid you will be extradited back to the US to do a lot of jail time for what is known as, I don't know how many counts of child abuse. You should have been like me. I only took the ladies. Very tasty ones too. But you should have been more like me. I am your father. You are an idiot. Just like my other idiots. Too many counts of child abuse and now you're gone. You will probably be here washing God's who knows what. I don't know what will happen to you. At this point, this is the time when I say, let's make a dance party, baby. Yeah. Secretaries, put on those kacharas with the G string. I'm getting ready for something. Okay. I put a bhangra. These new guys from London, they're quite amazing. I didn't know about them until I came up here in in the clouds. London guys, they're really getting some cool tunes. But okay, I'll play something for you. Get ready. Goes. You see, I'm sexy. I'm like a goddamn snake charmer.